Now we are going to learn about a OneNote, that is nothing but a Microsoft OneNote. Why this OneNote is required? For example, if you like to write down whatever the reviews, or we can say your plans, future plans, or if you are a student and you like to write down the notes, you can use a OneNote. This is nothing but a digital notebook. We can call it as a digital notebook or digital diary. As a business person, you will be having a habit of writing a diary, like which customer we need to attend, to whom we have to call, what are the activities I need to do today. Okay, these things you may be having a habit of writing it on a diary. Okay, same thing you can make it a, you can transfer them into a digital form, that is nothing but by using a one. If you are a student, you can keep a track of your notes, you can write down all the notes. Or if you like to have some of the content, digital contents are there, like you need to you have a search something in a Google, you like to refer that particular document in a future days, and you like to have that link you can copy and keep it here. And daily basis you can create a notes also, subject wise you can create a notes for the students. For any business person, you can create based on your product basis, or you can create a based on your website basis. Like this you can create a notes, in the sense this will be help to keep your all the transactions, anything you like to write it on a diary, you can transfer that into a digital by using a OneNote. From where you will get a OneNote? If you already installed, you can go to a start menu and you can search for a O. Okay, there you will be having a OneNote. Okay, once you open a OneNote, this will be a blank note you have. Here it has written a notebook. Okay, and here we have a file, home, insert, draw. The many options are available in a OneNote. Okay, here right hand side, here pages within that notebook, in the sense you can consider one particular diary it is. In that diary you will be having multiple pages. Okay, all the pages will be on the right hand side. Whatever the data you have in that page will be shown here, and the name of the notebook will be shown here. Okay, here there is no notebook has been created as of now. We'll create one notebook. How to create one notebook? We have to go to here, notebook, click on this. Here we say add notebook. Click on a add notebook. The moment you click on a add notebook, it will ask where you like to save this particular notebook. If you already have a OneDrive account, then you can select OneDrive account and sign into that particular account. Okay, we'll show you how to create a OneDrive account in a next section. Now we'll go to save it on your PC itself. How to save it on a PC? We have to select here and give the name for the notebook. For example, it is a meeting, like meeting details you have to keep it, or your subject name. Like this you can give the name for your notebook and say create notebook. Your notebook has been created. Here you can see notebook has been created. In each notebook, how it will work, in each notebook you will be having here section. Okay, you can add a sections here. You can add a section, you can give the name for your section. Okay, if you like to change the name, double click and you can say the customer one, or you can give the name meeting, like a we can say morning meetings you can give here. Okay, morning meetings. Okay, and within a meeting section, section 2, I would like to say double click on that to change the name. I will say afternoon schedules. Okay, afternoon schedules. Okay, like this. Again, one more section if you like to add, you can see here on a plus button. Okay, create a one more section, we can say evening. Okay, like this we can create a n number of the sections. Sections are nothing but, for example, you are maintaining a note for a particular book, okay, one particular subject. Within the subject you will be having a chapters, right? Similarly, for business we can use it as a sections. Okay, within that sections you will be having a, for each section, in each section it will record your date and time, as well as you can create a n number of the pages in a each section. Okay, first section, morning section, I say that meeting at 10. Okay, morning section I have been created meeting at 10. You can see here page has been added in a morning section, that is a meeting 10. If you like to add one more page, you can say here, if you are select that one meeting at 10, you can see here plus mark is there. If you click on that plus mark, okay, it will give you the second page. In second page we'll say calls calls to be done. Okay, like this. In the sense we can create a, okay, which are the meetings are there in this particular page, we can write down calls to be done, what are the calls we need to do in a this particular page. One more page you like to create, you can select here plus button and you can say that, okay, documents to be seen. Okay, like this is for the morning section. Three of them, three pages we have been created. Okay, similarly we can go to the afternoon. Again we can start create a page. Okay, afternoon meeting at 1. Okay, meeting at 1. Like this we can create a additional pages. Okay, for evening also similarly we can create a page and we can write the title of the page here. Okay, after that we'll show you what are the options available, what are the options available, what are the things we can do within a each page.